We started with phase one mainly in order to increase efficiencies. We also appreciate the support. The support's always been there to help us work through it and fix a problem quickly. That tells me that the phase one team is on top of this industry.
The quality of the imagery that we get out of our phase one camera systems is superior to anything we've seen.
I stuck with phase one because of 3 reasons. One was high resolution, high image quality, and high reliability. Phase one seems to be innovating at a much faster pace than the other companies.
One of the great things about phase one is that it's super easy to integrate into systems. Well, you just connect several cameras together and all of a sudden you've got a large format camera. That's not something that you can find anywhere else in the industry, so that makes them pretty unique.
Phase one has been amazing to work with. So not only do I like the products because of the data quality and what it's capable of, but really the customer service and the interaction with different teams is phenomenal.